What do you got there? Oh, that's a pretty good sized bluegill. I don't usually find them in here that big. Wow. Been here from last year. Okay. Oh,
right, man.
That's one of them sunfish. We got the prettiest sunfish here in the creek. Must be healthy.
How colorful it is.
Yeah, look at the color on that thing. Guy could put one of them in an aquarium. Another bluegill. Got one. Let's see what we got here. One of them big minnows. Oh, they get big though. They get real big. I guess that's a carp minnow.
A big bluegill.
There's people that eat them. Look at the size of that guy. Not bad for the creek here. Oh, no, green sunfish. Little baby bluegill sunfish. It's one of them minnows. One of them minnows. Shiny little guy. Come right out of there. Little sunfish. He's splashing up the camera, isn't he? Oh, nice.
Another bluegill.
That is a minnow. Ooh.
Largemouth.
Hey.
Maybe largemouth.
What do we got?
Another largemouth.
Little largemouth. Largemouth bass. That is, if we get real close to it, it looks like a 5-pounder. Bye-bye. What do we got here? Holy tamale. That is a... My God, I didn't think we'd have any bass like that in this creek.
That's a minnow.
Is that a minnow?
Yeah.
That's a minnow. Sure enough. I know the minnows get that big. They get bigger than that, but that's the biggest one I've seen in a long time. Wow.
Wow,
Wow, nice.